you screaming?
It's like having a breathing situation here.
Where's Darren?
Darren, do something.
Where's Uncle Darren?
Bonk your head or
April.
something.
April.
She sees you.
April.
Here she comes.
Come on.
Where is he? Where is he? Come, let's get him. Where is he? Hiding behind the couch. I can't see him. Did you find him? Where is he? Where's Darren? Where's Darren? Uh-oh, I hear Mom with the blocks. Goodbye. She ran down the hallway.
Oh.